Importance of exercise. In this module, you will learn about the importance of exercise. This is Sid. Look, he's playing football. He also enjoys playing badminton. Physical activities such as playing outdoor games are forms of exercise. Not only playing, but running, skipping, walking, cycling, dancing and stretching are also forms of exercise. He is Sid's friend, Harry. Harry likes to watch TV and read storybooks. He does not like to do physical activities like his friend, Sid. So, Sid does exercise, whereas Harry does not. Let us see what changes exercise brings to their lives. Today is the sports day at their school. Sid and Harry are participating in a race. Sid is running so fast. Look, he has won the race while Harry is far behind the finishing line. Sid has won the race because exercise makes him strong and active. But how does exercise make a person strong and active? Well, exercise gives strength to our bones and muscles. This, in turn, makes us strong and active. Oh, Harry is sneezing. He falls ill more often. Sid, on the other hand, rarely falls ill. This is because exercise helps him staying fit. Do you know how? Exercise helps us in fighting with germs that make us ill. So, regular exercise keeps us healthy and fit. Now let's recap. Physical activities such as playing outdoor games, running, skipping, walking, cycling, dancing, and stretching are forms of exercise. Exercise makes a person strong and active. Exercise makes a person healthy and fit.